Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a Binance account from the beginning. Binance is the largest global platform for cryptocurrency trading. I will also show you how to use futures trading step by step. Everything will be explained clearly so that even first-time users can follow along without difficulty. You can find a sign-up link right below this video. By registering through that link, your Binance trading fees will be reduced by 20%. Don't miss the chance to get the discount benefits and make sure to register using the link. To begin, I'll guide you through the Binance registration process. When you click the link provided below this video, it will take you to the Binance webpage. On that page, the registration form for creating your Binance account will appear. On this screen, you'll notice that a 20% reduction in trading fees is applied. In addition, you are eligible to receive several promotional reward benefits. You can set up your Binance account by signing up with either your email or your mobile number. After entering your information, make sure to tick the box confirming that you accept the terms and conditions. After that, simply press the Continue button to move on to the next step. You will be asked to choose the picture that corresponds to the word shown on the left side. A verification code will be delivered to your email address or mobile number. Please type in the code you received to complete the verification process. Next, create a password. To set your password, you need to follow the security requirements, at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number. If you see a field asking for an invitation code during the sign-up process, type in SKY333 as the referral code. Once you apply this referral code, special benefits will be activated on your account. Your Binance trading fees will be discounted by 20%. In addition, you can also receive various bonus rewards. So I highly recommend entering it before completing your registration. After finishing these steps, there's nothing more you need to do. Your Binance account will now be successfully created. Now, we'll move on to the process of verifying your identity. In order to use Binance for deposits, withdrawals, and trading activities, you are required to complete the identity authentication procedure. Because the verification step includes confirming your face, we will complete this part using a mobile device. Download the Binance app on your phone. Launch the Binance application on your smartphone, then sign in with the account details you recently registered. You'll be taken directly to the identity verification screen. First, please select your nationality. I'll select India. And proceed with identity verification. Please choose one of the following documents you have. I'll select passport verification. Select Take pictures to photograph your passport. Then click Continue. Position the page of your passport that contains your photo inside the camera guide and capture the image. Please ensure that the picture is clear, without reflections or shadows. We will now move on to the step where your face is verified. Simply follow the prompts shown on the screen, and complete each required motion one by one. Your identity verification has now been successfully finished. After the review period of roughly an hour, the verification status on your account will be updated to verified. Now, we will move on to configuring Google Authenticator for added security. Please return to the PC screen. Click Account in the left menu. Then click Security. We will enhance account protection by configuring it through the Authenticator application. Click Manage. Then click Enable Authenticator app. A security code will be delivered to your registered email address or mobile number. Please input the code that you received to complete the confirmation step. A QR code pop-up will then appear. Next, install the Google Authenticator application on your smartphone. Open the Google Authenticator app, click the button at the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. Then scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. A 6-digit Binance code will be generated in Google Authenticator. Now click Next on the Binance PC screen. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the app code field. With this final step, your two-factor authentication has been successfully set up. Now, let's move on to learning how to use peer-to-peer trading on Binance. To begin, select the wallet symbol located at the upper right side of the screen. As shown on the screen, there are different types of wallets available. The spot wallet is designed for regular spot trades and storing your primary funds. The Futures wallet, on the other hand, is specifically used for trading futures products. First, click Spot. Then click Deposit in the top right corner. Then click Buy with USD peer-to-peer. Check the agreement box. And click Start Trading. To purchase cryptocurrency, tap on the Buy option. After that, choose USDT as the asset you want to buy. When compared with BTC or USD, USDT generally offers more favorable overall pricing. Here, select a currency you want to buy and enter the amount. Then choose the payment method. You'll then see a list of advertisers below. It is safer to choose sellers who have completed many transactions. Also look for traders with strong reviews and a high success percentage. Choose the advertiser you'd like to trade with, and press the Buy USDT button shown next to their offer. Before proceeding with the transaction, make sure to review the seller's conditions in detail. After that, type in the quantity of USDT you wish to purchase. Once you've entered the amount, press the Buy USDT button to place your order. You will be able to check the advertiser's name, bank account information, and the QR code on the screen. Before you proceed with the payment, make sure to read the messages from the seller carefully. Use your chosen payment option to complete the transfer. Once the payment is finished, go back to Binance and press Transferred. Notify seller to let the seller know you've sent the money. Share 1 to 3 payment confirmation images with the seller. After that, tick the box below to confirm you agree to the terms, and click Confirm. After a moment, tap the wallet icon in the top right corner and select Spot. After completing these steps, you'll be able to see that your USDT has been credited to your account. Now, let's move on to how you can trade futures on Binance. Before you can begin futures trading, you'll need to move your assets from your Spot wallet into your Futures wallet. Click the Spot wallet, then click Transfer at the top right. Transfer from Fiat and Spot to USD Futures. Select the coin to transfer, enter the amount, and click Confirm. Your funds will be moved without any issues and will appear in your Futures wallet. Now, to start futures trading, click Futures in the top menu. Select USD Futures. At this point, the interface for futures trading will be displayed on your screen. Click this button at the top left to select the coin you want to trade. On the right menu, you can configure futures trading in detail. Click this button to select margin mode. Cross uses your entire margin balance to open positions. With isolated margin, only the margin allocated to a specific position is used to maintain that trade. For those who are new to futures trading, choosing isolated margin is a more cautious and beginner-friendly option. Click this button to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. Using greater leverage can amplify your returns, but it also raises the chance of your position being liquidated. If you're just getting started, it's better to keep your leverage low, around 3 to 5 times, to manage risk more safely. Next, click this button to set the order type. With a limit order, you can specify the exact price at which you want your trade to be executed. A market order places an order immediately at the best available market price. Here, the available margin is displayed. Below that, you can set the price and quantity. Finally, select a position direction. If you believe the market will move upward, you can open a long position by selecting Buy. If you think the market will decline, you can take a short position by selecting Sell. Click the Positions button below, and you'll see your open position. The entry price represents the average price at which your position was opened. Mark price represents the current market reference price. When the market hits your liquidation price, your position will be automatically closed to prevent further losses. P&L shows your current profit and loss. Select the pencil icon beside TPSL on your position to configure your take profit and stop loss levels. Finally, to close your position, under the Market Close All button, select either Market or Limit to close your position. Afterwards, you'll notice that your position has been successfully closed. In this video, I walked you through everything from creating a Binance account to executing futures trades, all in a clear and simple manner. Your likes and subscriptions really help me continue making these videos. I truly appreciate you watching until the end today.